Hello guys, it's your guy Viera. Welcome back to my new tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to be designing the VMS project 6. So right now we are going to be working only on the CAD, right? Computer aided design, the CAD model. So in the next tutorial we are going to be speaking about the CAM. So let's get started with the CAD. So note clearly that the units here are in millimeters. Okay, material being used is aluminium. Okay, so let's get started. So it all depends upon you, right? The way you could see how to begin the diagram may be different from mine. For example, okay, you notice that there are some dimension given and some dimension or length aren't given. So basically, using your little mathematics, if you know this length and you know this length, then you could deduce this one simply. If you know this 25 and you know this 56, it means to have this one, it's going to be 56 minus 25 to have this length. As simple as this. You do same for all others and you could deduce this length, right? So one thing I'm going to do here is you could decide to just go over front view, right? Front view, circle command, then dia of 30, then you extrude it by 56 minus 25 extrusion, then using the top view, again circle command, dia of 32, then an extrusion of 25 upward, again the top view, sketch, dia of 36, and then its extrusion, and so on and so forth, right, up to the end. And then we got chamfer. This is a chamfer, right? We got a chamfer of C2 is 2 mm. Okay, but right now I'm not gonna use this method. I'm gonna use something else. Right now I'm gonna introduce something else known as revolve command anyway. Okay, new part. I'm gonna go a little bit fast. Okay, front, making sure unit it's in millimeter. Well, just zoom it. Okay, line command. Okay, so just follow my step, guys. Okay, so when you are using revolve command, right, you will try to draw the same sketch, but just half of it, just half its portion. So when I'm drawing, rather of putting from the distance from here to here to be 30, I'm gonna put 15. Similarly, rather of putting 32, I'm gonna put 16. Rather of putting 24, I'm gonna put 12, right? So I'm just gonna draw half of it. Then when I'm gonna do revolve it by the name revolve, it means it's going to mirror the other side. Okay, so I'm just drawing one side and it revolve or mirror the other side. Hope you got that. Okay, so rather of 30, I'm gonna draw about 15. I just want to target 15. Okay, I'm gonna zoom it, then go upward a little bit, then straight, not that much, just about 25. Okay, then upward, then this should not be much equally, then you go down. Okay, then you have to go about 16, so fine, 14, then go down again, fine, then straight, okay, fine, you just end there, then you have to go down, okay, then straight, okay, fine, and then just go down and you have to close the sketch. So I'm gonna extract this over here. Okay, fine, it's straight, perfect, close it. Okay, all fine, stop command. Smart dimension. Okay, looking at the drawing, as I said, we are drawing just half of the portion. So if this is my center line, if we got the center line, it means from the center line to this outer line, it's 15 mm. Okay, so let's look at this. Okay, 15 mm. Okay, next we got 16 mm, that is 32, right, divided by 2. Hope you are looking the way I'm doing it. Okay, fine. Over here we got 36, so 18 mm. Okay, so I'm gonna take 36 divided by 2. Fine. So 30 mm, so which is 15. I'm gonna write this one. Perfect. Okay, over here we got 27 divided by 2. Okay, fine. So we proceed next. We got 24, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 24, so that is 12. Okay, so as you notice, the curve isn't fully defined. So this is because we need to add the length, right? So I'm going to take smart dimension. I'm going to add first the outer length. If you look at the diagram, the outer length is 152 mm. Okay, oh perfect. Okay, I got the length over here of 25. I'm going to increase, put that first. I'm going to drag this back to its original position to avoid any confusion. Smart dimension again, from this point to this point, 856. Okay, fine. Okay, it's becoming fully constrained. Smart dimension from this point to this point, it's 34 mm. Okay, it's fully defined. And looking at my sketch, I got no entity missing. All dimension have been plotted, so it's fully defined. Okay, so go for the okay. So stop sketch, make sure your sketch is, you know, fully defined and it's blue. Blue meaning it's totally closed. Okay, so this is the command features. I'm going to use revolve base. Now it's asking me to select the axis of revolution. I'm going to select this line, right? It's used as my center line. If you select, for example, if you select this line, you see nothing happens actually. Even if I go for the OK, it said revolve error. So you need to select the right line. So this line is the mirror line. Perfect. Okay. All good. I'm done over here, but I have to do this slot, right? Section A, right? So this is section A. So I have to do a slot, center slot to be precise. The width, meaning from this point to this point, it's 6. And from the dot over here to this outer point needs to be 20 mm. So I did not indicate the extrusion, but we are going to extrude through. Okay, let's do this first. I'm going to go front view reference line first. Let me just zoom this for you. Okay, hope it's visible now. Okay, construction. Just want to determine where is the center. Okay, fine. Construction line. Okay, slot. Center point slot. This is my center. Okay, just make it straight. Okay, fine. So looking at the diagram, smart dimension from this point to this point, we got 6 mm. Okay, so from this point to the exterior, so when you just imagine, I just press the exterior, right? Nothing happens. So as you notice, look, when I press the exterior, it takes the other point, right? So one thing you're going to do here is smart dimension this point. So when you want to press this exterior, make sure to hold shift, and then this is what happens. Perfect. 20. It's fully defined. I'm going to extrude cut all through. I will just take it all through. Doesn't really matter to all, but okay, fine. So here we have this, right? Okay, so looking at the diagram, we got a hole over here. So anytime you see this sign hash inches, right, I'm going to be using an inch hole, and I'm going to extrude by 2 inch downward. So let me just come here, the surface sketch. I'm going to take a point. Okay, go for the okay, stop sketch. It's as you guess, I'm going to use hole wizard. So this is a simple hole, right? So hole, simple hole. Okay, I'm going to take inch, tap hole. I'm fine with this. Okay, it's 1225, 24 rather. Okay, 1224. So make sure you check here to select 1224, extruding by 2 inch or millimeter. Okay, untick this. All fine. Okay, let me zoom this for you guys. Fine. Position, 3D sketch, select this point. Okay, all fine. Go for the tick. Okay, just perfect. Okay, all done. Hope you guys were able to reach this stage. So next thing, I'm gonna add the material. I'm gonna right click, edit material. This is a common step we always do. 6061 aluminium TS. Okay, fine. 6061 aluminium TX. I'm gonna apply it. Okay, all fine. So the appearance, right? For appearance, just click on the material, then come over here to this pencil mark. Appearance, take over body. Right? So over here you could add any appearance you wish. It's green, right? So you could add green. So that is it about it, right? I'm not gonna add appearance right now. I'm gonna cancel this. Okay, all fine. So in the next tutorial, guys, we are going to be looking upon generating the M&G code required for the VMS project 6. So guys, thank you for the day. Kindly like, share and subscribe the video. Kindly comment to motivate me, guys. Subscribe, share. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, guys.